Oh my gosh. It's a big shoe. Could you put it on? Holy cow. It's a big shoe. Can you put it on? You got it on? Holy cow, look at that shoe. Let me see that shoe. Holy cow, look at that shoe. It's a big one. You gonna put it on? Holy cow. There he goes. He's gonna put the shoe on. He got it on. Yay! Holy cow. Good. Oh. I ain't putting that shoe on. No.